To fix low volume issues on Windows 10 and Windows 11, first, head over to your desktop screen. Then, press the Windows key plus the R key together to open the Run dialog box. After that, type Control, and then click on the OK button. After that, go to the View by option and set it to large icons. Then click on the Sound option. Now, hover over the audio output device that you're primarily using. You can see the green tick mark over the speaker which is currently active and from where you're listening to your desktop or laptop audio. Right-click on the speaker or audio output device, click on Properties. And now, go to the Enhancements tab. And from there, you can see these two features here, that is, Bass Boost and Loudness Equalization. Just check the boxes beside them to enable both Loudness Equalization and Bass Boost. Then go to the Advanced tab and make sure that the default audio sample rate is set to 24-bit 48,000 Hz studio quality for wide compatibility, and both these options under exclusive mode are already enabled. Then hit Apply, OK, and then close all the window screens. And yeah, that's it. The low volume issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system has been fixed successfully. And yeah, you don't need to download any third-party tools to fix this low volume issue on Windows 10 and 11. But still, if you're facing audio-related issues on your system, or any other issue, then please comment them down below, okay? See ya, my friends, and have a nice day ahead.